Hello and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 49. A total of 12,000 kg of maize was demanded at 20 naira per kg, while 8,000 kg of it was demanded at 30 naira per kg. What is the percentage of change in quantity demanded? Now this is a question on calculating percentage of change in quantity demanded. Now option A says 33%, B 50%, C 67%, D 150%. Now percentage change in quantity demanded is given by change in quantity demanded divided by old quantity multiplied by 100 over 1. Okay, so the change in quantity is the new quantity demanded minus the old quantity demanded. So in this case, that is 12,000 minus 8,000 divided by the old quantity, which is 8,000, times 100 over 1. So completing this will give you 0.5 times 100. 0.5 times 100 is 50, so that is 50%. 50% is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.